For today's project, we're back at Donnie's house to remove excess pea gravel from his area in his backyard. Tim chose to bring the regular bucket today, but he added the Heavy Hitch Toothbar. We also brought along Zach today to lend a hand with some of the physical labor.
I'm getting a lot bigger scoopfuls this time with that bucket.
I gotta do something. That's too far. That's too far. I can't do it.
During our first evening at Donnie's house, we used the 4-in-1 bucket. If you haven't seen that video, go back and take a look.
This bucket seems like pretty good dirt. I probably shouldn't have brought it.
Donnie wanted us to haul away only the areas that had the gravel. He wanted to leave the better dirt because he's going to use that to put back over the top of where his swing set had been.
Throughout this episode, watch how the Heavy Hitch Toothbar digs. It totally transforms little Johnny.
Corvette. I got a Corvette out of the deal.
Cool. This is my Corvette too. Tractor steroids. That's what those teeth are. Christy, I really need to get my tires filled. Between the tires and the lack of wheel weights, I'm missing a little, well, I'm a little light in the tail end. I think we know the back edge is right in here.
Yeah, I can see it.
I just don't think we know
Yeah,
maybe
I'll check this area right here and see how much of this, how deep this is.
Yeah, just go down a little bit and kind of
Yeah.
get some samples.
Four to 6 inches in this area.
Yeah.
Back to here. You got 4 to 6 inches there. So you need to come back at least here. You see
Well, there's a little bit of soil on top, and then we get into rock.
yeah,
So all that really needs to go.
yeah.
Let me take some of that off so you can dig better.
Check it out.
Here's a perfect example. Those teeth are what allow me to dig in under that layer of clay. Get your tractor steroids at heavyhitch.com. Coupon code TTWT will get you a 5% discount.
Stop me a little bit. I can't see. What am I doing?
Might come up just a little. Oh, yeah, up a little. You're pretty clean now. They're just loose right here. I just raked off of this to see we're good. You're
Yeah,
really,
I like that. So in
really
other
good
words,
there.
I don't have to get it all.
Yeah, you're
kinda
gonna put
rake
some
it
of this
up.
dirt over the
I
top
do
of it,
need a
right?
couple more inches there.
Yeah,
though,
this
don't I?
still needs to come, but to here you're good. A little bit right there.
Boy, it's so much easier, Christy, with those teeth. Too deep, curl?
Yeah, you just popped the root, but that
Oh.
tree's coming down, yeah.
Is that deep enough?
All right, drop it down with All right, now even it out. Be full, tilt it back. All right, now this next.
I'll do this next,
Yeah.
I guess.
All right.
You get whatever you want there and throw it over here if you want.
Yeah, just throwing over there where he's gonna dig.
The truck's getting fairly full. And I'm not sure we've got near all the rock out. I really want to try to keep Don from having to pay for another load. This is kind of expensive hauling off this rock. So we just want to try to get as much as we can, and then maybe we can till the rest in or something. We're good 2/3, if not 3/4 full. I mean, I'm wondering if we're kind of good enough there. We start mixing all that in. If I bring a tiller in or something and mix that up. But I think we probably need some more over here, don't you, before we even get close? Unless you think we're going to have to do another load.
I mean, it did come all the way to here, so.
Well, we may have to do another load.
Although I don't see anything under here.
Okay, well, next time I'll move over one more layer. I mean, of course, we got that. We might be further along than we think. I try to take it fairly easy with these heavy loads. You know, you get to bouncing with these heavy loads on the front. That's a good way to tear up something. And you can see that it tends to bounce. It just wants to. shake you off. Yeah, I thought maybe it'd make good video. See, the problem is some of that's good soil. We're hauling off his rock, but we're hauling off about 50% good soil.
Maybe a tree root. There's a big one there. May have to come at it from both sides. And if you back up, you can get a little deeper there. Okay, 2 or 3 feet.
I'm thinking maybe 1 more, maybe 2 more after this. I don't know if that's going to be good enough or not, but where do you want it? If you want to put it in your garden,
Right, try to push the rest of this rock to a certain
On
spot.
this side.
and then we could go ahead and push that in if we wanted.
There you go. I think some of the roots stuck in the teeth. Yeah, when you dump that, we'll have to knock it off there.
You'll have to floss me?
Yeah, it's through there.
Hey!
Oh, it's still in the ground.
I'll help you.
I got that one now. Come around here and push that in one time?
Absolutely. You want to try to get some of those bricks out of the way, and then I won't have to pick it up.
Yeah, you
I
won't
can
have
just
to
push
dig
it.
them out again.
What do you think, Don? You want to start bringing the new stuff in?
Yeah.
Let's do it.
I suppose you want me to shovel all this over here too?
Yeah, there you go. You do that pile, I'll do this pile. Now for this, a board one would be better because we tip that top up and we use it as a blade. do you mean it's not a bulldozer?
This is what the rake's for. You want me to smooth this out now? That's about as good as I can get it.
Okay, yeah. I appreciate the extra effort though.
Best I can do.
It's not perfect here yet, Don, but it's muddy. I think it needs a tiller. And it can't till yet. Well, Don, we're taking baby steps here. We've got the pea gravel out, got some of this dirt pile pushed in there. Once it gets a little drier, we'll finish grade this and get it seeded. Zach, thanks for joining us. Okay, the star is here.
Yeah.
Zach signing autographs at his house. Where are you going to be signing? When's your next autograph signing appointment?
I'm so booked, can't even think of when
Hamilton
it is.
County Jail?
If I don't watch my ways, it could be. I got a tail light out on the truck, so I could end up there tonight.
Yeah, Trooper Hoover may be after you.
It isn't a tail light, it's a brake light.
Okay, well just don't hit the brakes.
Right.
That's easy to solve.
Slow roll.
A little different than the 4-in-1 bucket, but we got a lot done. So thanks for watching, everybody. Thanks to Don and Zach for being the stars and handling the hard work. Thanks to Christy for the camera. Thanks to you for watching. We'll see you next time on Tractor Time with Tim. Good job, Zach. I count on you to be lazy, man.
Oh,
That's why I brought you along.
that's why you brought this along. This is pea gravel and dirt's heavy enough. Especially since I got such bad cholesterol.
I got bad everything.
Makes it tough to lift.
Cholesterol in the way of your lift capacity.
Yes.
Huh?